Hi all, welcome to the course on production planning and control. Today we'll be learning about mass production. So what is mass production? Manufacturing many identical goods at a once. Like once a process is started, then continuously it will be produced in the same manner. Then that is generally called as mass production. So it generally refers to the manufacturing of large quantities of products using efficient methods. Like for example, as we see in the diagram, if we take any bottled beverage like a Thumbs Up or Coca-Cola or Pepsi, once the design and once the cold drink is ready, it is continuously being produced or continuously the bottles are being produced as products in a mass or a whole lot. Like in whole over India, we see that the same amount of Coca-Cola bottles are being distributed as 200 ml PET bottles or 300 ml glass bottles or tin cans. So that is what is an example of how mass production occurs. So coming to this advantages of mass production, the mass production gives better quality and increased production as a single quantity is continuously being produced. So increased production at a lesser time with a better quality can be obtained in the case of this mass production. And moreover, the same product is developed for large quantities, so the wastage is also minimum. As raw materials are purchased on large scale, higher margins of profits are available while purchasing them. Since we are making it in very large numbers, so the profits which are available, although per quantity and the overall price or the overall profit which is being made for selling it will be higher, and the sales promotion and advertisement do not prove to be costly, as single time if we advertise it for large number of time we can use that. Like for a cold drink, whatever ad which we show today, that will be just generated or that can be shown for the whole year or for a few upcoming months also. So the amount of promotion or advertising is not costly as compared with that of the other types of production. And moreover, the cost per unit will also be very low when it is compared with that of the batch production or any other production. And finally, only few skilled or semi-skilled workers are required, hence labor cost is also reduced since the same work is being done. So when a labor is proficient in that work, it is continued. And the disadvantages are, due to the less demand, heavy losses on the invested capital may take place. That is, once if it is going on to the sales department and it is being sold well, then there is no problem of profits earning or anything else. But if it has not been sold or it is not being sold, then there will be heavy losses on the invested capital which is generated, because in a mass production we are generating very large quantities or more number of quantities at a time, because of all the machines used are in one machines. Therefore the type of production is not changeable to other types of production. Like if we are generating a 200 ml tetra pack or 200 ml bottle of beverages or cold drinks, then for a whole lot of mass, the same bottle with the same packaging will be coming on for few months or even years also. So the type of production is not at all changeable in the kind of this type of production. Most of the workers handles only one operation, so they may get skill in their job, but after some time they feel bored with repetition of the same type of work. Like doing the same work every now and then makes them bored. So the work which is being done gets bored, or challenges in this type of mass production is generally not present, which is another disadvantage when compared with that of our workers point of view. And as that type of production is on large scale, therefore it cannot be fulfill individual taste. Like different designs for different products cannot be attained in the case of this mass production. It produces things of standardization form which are demanded on large scale. Like are cool drink bottles. Standardized form are 200 ml bottles, 300 ml bottles, and tin cans, which are generally of 330 ml, or else we are having 750 ml, 1.5 liters, 2.25 liters. So all of these are the standard bottles which are available, and the customized form is difficult to obtain in the case of our mass production, which is our disadvantage. So this was the topic, mass production, for today. Thank you.